Guys, welcome to our first construction update for Iron Menace of 2024. And as you can see behind me, the Immelmann loop is now complete and the trains have now started to arrive here at Dorney Park. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Throws. It certainly is exciting getting to see it here today. Crews are actually out on site today pouring concrete. I managed to see today, so very exciting. I haven't seen them out on site ever since I was last at Dorney Park itself. I usually am here on Saturdays, but I decided to film this update on a Friday because we're actually supposed to be getting a major snowstorm tomorrow and Sunday, so I honestly don't know if I'll be able to make it out here tomorrow, so a little early. So yeah, guys, they're moving incredibly fast. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see this coaster now completed by the end of the month. I know I was saying February. I'd imagine maybe the beginning of February, but the rate they're moving, I'm not surprised. They were still working on this thing even while I was at King's Dominion and Busch Gardens last week. So very, very exciting. Looks like we actually got crews out on site today, so very cool. You can see some of the pieces staged for the Immelmann, or I guess it's now the ZeroG Roll and the tilted loop now. Looks like they're also pouring concrete for some more footers. definitely is very exciting seeing the Immelmann up. That thing is pretty tall. So yeah, guys, like I mentioned, the trains have now arrived here for Iron Menace. They are the 7-seater trains, just like Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. And unlike the dive coaster I've already done, SheiKra at Busch Gardens, Tampa, this will be actually the first modern dive coaster with the vest restraints I've done. I've heard good things and I've heard bad things. The good things is it's hard to get any headbanging with these vest restraints. The bad news is it eliminates any weightlessness you may feel on the top of that drop. And there's actually workers up there. I just noticed that. So probably either Ryan and the PR campaign up there taking more pictures. But yeah, very exciting. So I didn't see them down in the Overflow Lot, so the trains must have gotten moved probably onto the transfer track, or onto the construction site itself. I had to go back and watch the footage, but yeah, I didn't see them down the Overflow Lot, so I'm guessing they're either on the site itself or on the transfer track. So hopefully next week we see the ZeroG Roll. They actually said it takes about 15 minutes to install one of these pieces, which is, that's just crazy. You think about how much these pieces weigh, like probably like tons of weight, and it takes them 15 minutes. That's crazy. This is just gorgeous. Standing here watching the sunset over Iron Menace and Dorney Park. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week's Iron Menace construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. As you can see, there's no stopping them at this point, so it's very exciting. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and make sure you come along on the ride by hitting that subscribe button, as I post these every time there is something new or exciting going down here at the Iron Menace construction site. And it's going to be a really exciting off season, as you can see. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, guys.